and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about error handling in PHP. At the end of this video, you will be able to state the reasons of errors, state the classifications of errors in PHP, explain the error handling in PHP. An application program is designed to perform a specific function for the user or for another application program. There are many chances of arriving unexpected errors in an application, which causes the non-functioning of a system. Here are some reasons of errors in an application. While developing an application, programmers can write an inappropriate code which may cause an error in the functionality of an application. Sometimes the database query causes an error when it does not show any result or incorrect result. In some cases, the errors are unknown and their reasons are also unidentified. It may cause loss of the values. Many times, users are the reasons for the errors in the functionality of an application program. The best example of these types of errors is user may introduce an error by entering wrong credentials while signing up to an application. In PHP, errors are classified into two types: internal errors and external errors. Internal errors are considered as the logical errors in a code or errors in software plugins. External errors are caused during the interaction between the user and application, such as error in database access and server error. PHP has different configuration directives that handle issues related with the errors. It uses PHP.ini directive error reporting that levels the errors and makes report of them. Let's look at some error reporting levels in PHP. Here are the error reporting levels in PHP. Now, let's see the sample program that reports about all the errors during development. The program code shows the errors such as fatal runtime error, parse error, and core error. Let's discuss some of the commonly used directives in PHP. This directive displays errors if it meets the criteria defined by function error reporting. It is enabled only while testing. Otherwise, if the site is active, it gets disabled. This directive shows the errors during initialization of PHP engine. Ignore repeated errors ignores error messages occurred in a same file. Ignore repeated source, as name suggests, it is used to ignore error message occurred in various files. Log errors is one of the denotations of finding errors in PHP. This directive is always enabled for rectifying the problems. It is the directive which denotes the maximum length for each logged element. Track errors stores recent messages within variable e named PHP error mg. Error log sends the errors to system logging daemon. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. Some reasons of errors in an application are inappropriate code by programmer, wrong database queries, unknown errors, errors caused by users. In PHP, errors are classified into two types: internal errors and external errors. PHP uses PHP.ini directive error reporting that levels the errors and makes report of them. Thank you for watching this video.